Is your appliance humming like a jet engine or banging like a poltergeist? Those strange noises are serious warning signs. Ignoring them can turn a small fix into a $500 replacement disaster. Grinding means parts are wearing down, loud buzzing could be an electrical fire risk, and that constant banging is your machine literally beating itself up from the inside. Don't wait for a total breakdown. Learn to decode these dangerous sounds by reading our new blog post linked in the description. If you're in Dewdney and your appliances are screaming for help, call Dewdney Appliance Repair today.